Now we want to learn how we can produce labels, which may be required to produce other forms of outputs from the database. Labels can be used to advertise a product or to address labels for a mailing letters to customers. Here are the required information for the labels. First of all, we have to find all the cars with a sale price of less than £4,000, and for these cars we will produce labels. These are the property of the labels. uh, First of all, have a page orientation of portrait. The second, fit two side by side on the page. It means we need two labels on the same line side of the page. So you will see the page. Inside it I will have two labels besides each others, and the header of the label should be special offer, and it should center aligned and with font size 16 on the top of each label. And we have to show only the following fields: make, model, color, as price, year, extras, and they should be sorted to make and model order. Then we have to write our name at the bottom right of each label. Okay, so we will go and open the task 18p, which contains a query that includes cars with price less than or equal 4,125. We will simply just erase and use only the criteria as price less than £4,000, and then you'd save. Okay, we save the query. Now let's go create our labels. Okay, we will click create. We will go to report sections and click labels. Actually you can choose any format of the label, but you should be care about across. The across we need, it's requested by the task. We need two labels side by side on the same row, so you should choose two across. Okay, and here in the format, the average 8166 labels is slightly larger than others, so we will use it to here in our task. Okay, then you click next. We will not do any change for the font size here. We will click next, and here we want to choose the prototype labels. The prototype label means the format of our label. It has title, special offer, then we will click enter, and it includes the fields make. We will double click on make, enter. Then model, double click on model, enter. Then color, double click on color, enter. Then as price, so we'll go to as price, double click on as price, enter. Then go to year, double click on year, enter. Then go to extras, double click on extras, enter. And we will write your name here. Then that's it. So these are the fields that I can include. Then we click next. It should be sorted by make and model as it's asked from us by the task. So make and model, then click next. We will name it labels for cars less than £4,000. Okay, and modify, then click finish. Okay, here you will come. This is the design view of the label. If you come and see the view, you will find design view, layout view, print preview, and report view. Let's go to the layout view. Here you can choose from portrait, landscapes, or columns. Here we need just portrait, same like the task ask us. So how to go back again to the design view? We'll click home and go view design view. Now we want to do the formatting. First of all, it's asked from us to use special offer center align with font size 16. So before that, I will make these fields slightly right. So you see the page width already expanded. We don't want to expand the page width, so we will just make this width smaller, then move it slightly right. Okay, before you do any modification, every time you have to go to the layout, to the print preview, and check if we have two labels side by side on the page. Okay, here we have the two labels. Okay, so we will close print preview, and so automatically we will go back to the design preview. So I clicked all of these fields. I will just take them little bit down, and in special offer I will put 16 font size and center aligned. So I need to magnify this, sorry, little bit, and I will go, I will take them together and go to bring them like little bit up, and this one, the last one, which is the name, it should be right aligned. Let's check the print preview. You see we have the title, we have the included fields, and we have the name. We can take them little bit right and check. Close. Let's bring these except the last line. Okay, little bit right, and let's check now. Okay, so now we want to write, if you look here, you will find the interior entities, interior records. We need to put labels, make, model, color. How to put the labels? We will close the print preview and go back here and go to the design view, click label, this one. This is the first label. You can write make on it. Okay, and you can make it like on the same width of this field. Is it the same width? Check. Okay, we can copy it and paste it 5 times. Copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's just move it and use it. This is for extras, this is for year, this for as surprise, this is for color. What we can do, here you can take them little bit down and move them as you like, so everything will be better. Just small space here. Make this one little bit right. Here is the color, move it up a little bit. the model. Here we will write model. Okay, so you can make it like this, and the color, put it on the same height, and write color. The labels will appear for the output. We have selling rice, and we have the little bit down, year. Then what we have, for extras, we will use this one. This is the last one. We have extras. Let's have a look now. View, print preview. You see, this is the output of our labels, and we have done with this task. You will just save it.